Belly dancing.
What do you want to do now? What's to get around now? The drum. What's to make sure you want
Vart är Oliver?
Sienna.
Oh my goodness, he's gonna run in and bust his face.
There you go, so you can see.
What are you doing?
Thank you, Jim. 6 blinding couples advancing. Michael and Lindsay say good morning, Siberia, and hello to the top spot, all the way from the bottom of the league.
One more time. Oh, I missed it again. Oh.
Hey, Furby.
There you go. You can open it up. Take the paper off.
Here. Look. Can you rip that? When the bell breaks, the cradle will fall, and off will come baby's head and all. I'm sorry. I put it back on.
Where are you going? We're not gonna touch. Nope, no touching. It's poison. Nope. Yep.
Lean forward. Lean forward.
Puts the you want You don't want to come with the dad, no?
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle
That's the worst slide of my life.
Oh, there's a hole.
Oh my god!
You smart. That's sarcasm.
What are you doing?
You trying to get the tags?
Oh my god, my stomach hurts.
Thanks, doggy. Do you want to see it dance?
Hit you!
Uh-oh, where'd he go? Where's Leonidas at? Where'd that little stinker go? I don't see him.
Alina, no. Put the present back. Put it back. No, it's not yours. Put it back. I know. You have to wait till Christmas. Thank you.
I have no idea. Was it that bad? Miles, what do you... It was that bad. Okay. No dear.
Miles, Miles.
You want to stay with Santa? You want to go to the...
Yep. Try one.
But now I don't want it!
Where's Kylie? Where's Kylie?
Go push the button. Let's see you dance. Can you dance? Dance?
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
I like here. Where is it here? Here.
Oh, Merry Christmas! Look, Phil, are you gonna do it again?
I love that one.
Yay! Okay, you want to do the third? Here. Take that. Yay! Yay!
Leah, no, no. No, no.
And look at the princess.
Yay! Mr. Giraffe! Mr. Giraffe!
Daddy.
What happened?
Delilah, what are you doing?
My two big ears. I think I jingle when you make it.
I don't even know why he's doing that.
This time, pull me right. Hold on.
Oh my god, it's a spider!
And then we for like the main course. You know, I do this normally in a restaurant. I go, well, what do you recommend? I go, well,
Oh, Charles.
Come on, blow it out. The cake's soaked.